So you want to go and you want to join TikTok affiliate program to promote your favorite TikTokers, creators, or maybe just, you want to promote your own brand as well. Well, that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to join TikTok affiliate program. So you have two different affiliate programs. You have affiliate for creators and sellers. So you can choose each one by the one that you are, right? A creator or a seller. Or you can join the TikTok for Business affiliate program. Now, TikTok for Business affiliate program is more towards businesses, as you can see. So as you can see, digital marketing experts, people with the ability to reach a large audience, for example, bigger YouTubers. This is what TikTok for Business affiliate deal is about, as you can see. Now, this is, for more experienced affiliates. So you can go to affiliates at tiktok.com if you want to go and apply for this. Now, you need to sign in and create an impact account in order to then go and contact the affiliates at tiktok.com, and then you just need to share your account ID number and you'll be able to join the TikTok for Business affiliate program. Now, it's very easy to reach this website right here. All you have to do is just go and type in TikTok affiliate program. And as you can see here, you will have for business, right? This is for the business. So click on that, right? And you will land on this page that I showed you right here. So again, you'll need to go to impact.com and you'll need to log in there, and then you'll need to share the ID through the email address that I showed you. Now, this is for more experienced ones. If you're a creator or if you are a seller, then you can go to this page right here. Again, go to TikTok affiliate programs and click on affiliate TikTok shop. So here, if you're a creator or if you're a seller, as you can see, if you're a seller, you can link up with creators and pay commission on successful sales. However, if you're a creator, you can promote brands that are relevant to your followers. So basically, if you scroll down here, you'll be able to select either if you're a seller or creator. So if I'm a creator, I can go here and I can get started, and I'll be basically brought to this right here, and I need to use a TikTok account to log in. That's how easy it is to join TikTok affiliate program. Again, you have two different affiliate programs. One is for business, for more experienced people, and the second one is for creators. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.